In this video, I'll show you how to automatically send emails in Pipedrive. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Pipedrive account. Then, click the More icon from the left-hand sidebar. Now, click Automation, then click Plus Automation in the top right corner. Next, choose Start from Scratch and select a trigger, such as Deal Created, Deal Updated, or any other event that should send an email automatically. After that, click the plus icon to add an action. Here, you'll see the Send Email action only if you've already connected your email account to Pipedrive. Since my email isn't connected yet, I can't demonstrate this step. But once your email is connected, you can select Send Email, choose an email template, select the recipient, and customize the subject and message. Finally, review your automation, give it a name, and click Save. From then on, Pipedrive will automatically send the email whenever your trigger and conditions are met. That's how you automatically send emails in Pipedrive. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.